Okay, dito tayo. Suppose that a 40 horsepower engine, example to. So suppose that a 40 horsepower engine could accelerate a car from 0 mile per hour to 60 mile per hour in 16 seconds. So yung 40 horsepower pala natin na engine, kaya daw i-accelerate yung car natin sa loob ng 16 seconds. So if this were the case, kung ito daw yung case, then yung car na merong 4 times the horsepower, meaning 4 times na mas malakas yung horsepower, kayang gawin yung ginawa nito in less than the time na na-consume ng 40 horsepower engine. For example, meron tayong dalawang engine. So, ito yung engine 1 natin which is 40 horsepower. Now, para magawa niya yung work nito, which is to accelerate from 0 mile per hour to 60 mile per hour, kailangan ng time which is 4 seconds. So, yan daw yung kailangan niya na time. So, kung ito daw yung case, therefore, 16 second pala, mali. So, yung time pala na kailangan niya to accelerate is 4 seconds, 16 second. So, therefore, kung meron pala tayong mas malaking makina, which is 4 times nito, so, kung meron daw tayo din na car with 4 times the horsepower could do the same amount of work in 1/4 the time. So, kung meron daw tayong engine 2, so dito yung engine 1 natin, kung meron daw tayong engine 2, which is 4 times na mas malakas dito. So, meaning, 4 times 40 horsepower. Kung ito yung engine 1 natin na 40, ito 4 times daw na mas malakas yung engine 2 natin. Or simply to say, that is equal to 160 HP. So, malakas yung engine 2 natin. So, same work which is 0 to 60 mile per hour. So, 0 to 60 mile per hour, kaya niya daw i-accelerate sa 4 seconds lang. Which is, mas mabagal or mas kaunting time kung compare natin dito sa 40 HP engine natin. For example, nagkakarera kayo. Siyempre, so rangkada kadtong mas malakas na HP, mas konti yung time na kailangan niyang irangkada kaysa dito. Since mas malakas nga itong engine 2 natin. So, the point is that the same amount of work, okay, so ito tingnan natin, same amount of work, power, and time are inversely proportional. So, the power equation suggests that a more powerful engine can do the same amount of work in less time. So, mas malaking engine or mas malakas na HP, mas mataas na HP, kayang gawin yung same amount of work ng mas kaunti yung time na i-consume. So, dito tayo. So, meron tayong power 1 is equals to work ng engine 1 plus work ng engine 2, di ba? Yan yung equation natin for power. Power is equals to work over time. So, this is for engine 1 at ito naman for engine 2, itong nandito sa baba. So, sabi natin, yung work na ginawa dito sa engine 1 is equal to the work na ginawa sa engine 2. Okay? So, papansinin natin, yung work dito sa engine 1, yung work dito sa engine 1, dito is equal dito sa work na ginawa sa engine 2, di ba sabi natin? Work sa engine 1 is equal to work sa engine 2. So, kung i-cross multiply natin dito, work 1 is equals to power ng engine 1 times time na kinonsume ng engine 1. So, power na engine 1 times time na kinonsume ng engine 1. So, same with dito, yung work ng engine 2 that is equal sa power na kinonsume ng engine 2 times yung time na kinonsume ng engine 2. Okay? So, gagamitin natin, so divide natin both sides ng P2, power ng engine 2. So, power ng engine 1, makakancel dito yung power ng engine 2. Power ng engine 1 times E1 over P2 is equal na, iwan na lang dito is yung T2 natin. So, i-divide pa natin both sides by T1. Maka-cancel yung T1. Pwede nating sabihin na yung power ng engine 1 over power ng engine 2 is equal to T2 over T1. So, meron tayong power ng engine 1 which is equal to 40 horsepower. Yung engine 1 natin. So, engine 1 natin is 40 horsepower. Engine 2 natin is 160 horsepower. So, therefore, yung mako-consume na time ng yung T1 natin, so given yung T1, which is at 16 seconds. So, 16 seconds. So, cross-multiply natin dito. Mako-compute natin yung time na mako-consume ng engine 2, which is equal to 40 times 16 divided by 160. So, kung gagamitan natin ng calculator, 40 times 16, which is 640. So, 640 divided by 160, that is equal to 4. Meaning, 4 seconds yung i-consume ng engine 2, kasi yan T2. Meaning, 4 seconds yung i-consume ng engine 2 para magawa niya yung same work na ginawa ng engine 1. Kung napansin nyo, yung engine 1, ginawa niya yun in 16 seconds. Mas mabagal kung i-compare natin sa engine 2 na mas malakas yung horsepower natin.